Ever heard the one about the pomegranate who went to a party? He said he couldn't stay long, he had to split early. Now, that's a fruit with a lot of seeds, but today, we're going to seed out the truth from the myths surrounding pomegranates. This little fruit that's been around since ancient times has gathered quite a reputation. Some say it's a miracle cure-all, others say it's just a tasty snack. But what's the real deal? Is this humble fruit really the key to everlasting health and beauty? Or is it all just a bunch of pulp fiction? Well, we're about to find out. We're going to take a deep dive into the world of pomegranates, debunk some common myths, and reveal the true nature of this seedy character. So buckle up and get ready to split open some common misconceptions about this fascinating fruit. Many folks believe pomegranates are the ultimate health solution, but is there more to this story? Let's dive right in. Pomegranates, those ruby red globes filled with juicy arils, have been celebrated for their health benefits for centuries. From their rich antioxidant content to their high vitamin and mineral count, it's no wonder they've been dubbed a superfruit. They can indeed help reduce inflammation and boost heart health. But here's the catch. While pomegranates are nutritious, they are not a magic bullet for health. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Well, you can't just swap out that apple for 4 tablespoons of pomegranate and expect to bypass the doctor's office for good. You see, health is a holistic concept. It's not just about what you eat, but also about how much you move, how much you sleep, how you manage stress, and so much more. A single fruit, however nutritious, cannot single-handedly solve everything. Let's put it into perspective. Imagine if you had a car and you only ever changed the oil, neglecting all the other maintenance. Sure, the oil is important, but what about the tires, the brakes, the engine? It's the same with our bodies. We need a variety of nutrients from a range of foods, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and overall well-being for optimal health. This doesn't mean you should toss out the pomegranates, far from it. They're still a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. They can be enjoyed in salads, smoothies, or even on their own for a refreshing and healthy snack. But remember, they're just one piece of the puzzle. You still need to pay attention to the rest of your diet, make sure you're getting regular exercise, and take care of your overall well-being. So, while pomegranates are a great addition to a balanced diet, they're not a one-stop shop for all your health needs. Next up, the myth that eating pomegranates in large quantities will promote weight loss and hair growth. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it's because it is. This myth has been floating around for quite some time, but let's take a closer look at the facts. Pomegranates are indeed a nutritious source of vitamins and minerals. They also pack a punch with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and increase heart rate. But the idea that simply gobbling down pomegranates will magically melt away those extra pounds or give you a lush, shiny mane is, unfortunately, a bit of a stretch. Let's talk about weight loss. To shed pounds, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. Now, while pomegranates are relatively low in calories, they aren't going to tip the scales in your favor if you're not also putting in the work. That's right, folks, you've got to pair it with regular exercise and a balanced diet. There's no shortcut or magic fruit that can replace that. And what about hair growth? Again, while pomegranates contain nutrients that are beneficial for hair health, they aren't a one-stop solution. Hair growth is influenced by a range of factors including genetics, diet, stress levels, and overall health. Simply eating more pomegranates isn't going to make your hair grow faster or thicker. The truth is, sustainable weight loss and hair growth require a comprehensive approach. This includes a balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients, regular physical activity, and taking care of your overall well-being. That means getting enough sleep, managing stress, and yes, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables, including pomegranates. So, while pomegranates might make a tasty snack, don't count on them to be your personal trainer or hairdresser. After all that myth-busting, let's not forget that pomegranates do have some real benefits. This ruby red fruit is a veritable treasure trove of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins like C and K, and is a good source of dietary fiber. But that's not all. Pomegranates also contain powerful antioxidants which help to fight off harmful free radicals in the body. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, pomegranates can play a part in boosting your overall health. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help to reduce chronic inflammation, which is a contributing factor in many serious health conditions. And let's not forget the heart. The antioxidants in pomegranates can help to increase heart health by reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a disease where plaque builds up in the arteries. But remember, while pomegranates are nutritious, they're not a magic bullet. They can't replace a healthy diet or regular exercise. They're a part of the puzzle, not the solution itself. So next time you crack open a pomegranate, enjoy it for what it is. A delicious, nutritious fruit, not a miracle cure-all.